Welcome to ShiftCare. In this video, we'll show you how to install and use the ShiftCare Caregiver App. Getting started. Accept your invite and log in. You'll receive an email or text from your organization inviting you to ShiftCare. Open the invitation and tap the link to begin onboarding. You'll be asked to enter your personal details, including your name, date of birth, cell number, and address, along with your next of kin information. Then create a password, add a short bio, and upload a profile photo if you'd like. If your organization requires any documents, you can upload them here too. Tap Submit when you're done. If you haven't already, head over to the Apple App or Google Play Store to download and install the ShiftCare mobile app. Logging in. Before logging in, make sure the correct server region is selected in the top right corner of the login screen. Ensure United States is shown. Enter your email and password, then tap Login. If your organization uses single sign-on, tap Sign in with SSO and follow the prompts to complete login through your company's sign-in page. Checking your schedule. Once logged in, you'll land on the schedule screen, showing all your upcoming shifts for the current month. Scroll up and down to browse, or use the date pull-down to view other months. Tap any shift to see its details, client name, shift time, and location. Reviewing client details before arrival. Before heading to your shift, tap the client's name to review their profile. This includes general information provided by your scheduling team, relevant documents, and the client's goals and care status. Just above the More Actions menu, you can check the shift instructions. These may include important details like entry codes or key locations. Under the More Actions menu, any forms assigned to your shift will also appear here, ready to complete during or after your shift. Tap the shift address to open your mapping app and get directions straight to the location. Clocking in. When you arrive, navigate to your shift and tap Clock In. You'll need to be within range of the shift address for clock-in to register. You'll receive a confirmation and be asked to acknowledge need-to-know information. Review medication plans if displayed, and you're ready to start your shift. Electronic Visit Verification, EVV. If your agency uses EVV, ShiftCare automatically captures your GPS location, time, and visit details when you clock in and out. No extra steps needed. Just make sure location permissions are enabled for the app. If you lose connectivity during a shift, the app will capture your EVV data offline and sync it automatically once your connection is restored. Offline mode. In areas with limited connectivity, enable offline mode from the main menu. The app will download the next 24 hours of shift data so you can view shifts, clock in, and clock out without an internet connection. Once you're back online, everything syncs automatically. Care Plan Tasks and Goals. Tap the Tasks button at the bottom of your shift screen to view shift tasks and Care Plan Tasks and Goals. Tap a shift task to mark it as complete. Tasks in bold are mandatory, and you'll be unable to clock out of your shift until these tasks are completed. Below, you can review your Care Plan tasks. Once complete, select the task, then tap Complete Task. If you are unable to complete a task, tap the More Options icon and mark the task as incomplete. You will need to document reasons why the task was unable to be completed. Care Plan goals can be reviewed and marked as complete by tapping the Goals checkbox. You'll be asked to provide your assessment comments and on some goals, asked to provide a progress rating score from 0 to 100. Tap Confirm to complete the Care Plan goal. Progress Notes. ShiftCare makes documenting your visits quick and simple. To add a progress note, open your shift and tap Progress from the bottom menu. Then tap the plus icon and select Progress Notes. You can type your notes using the keyboard or tap the microphone icon to dictate your notes using voice to text. If you'd like to improve the wording, tap the Rephrase button, and ShiftCare's built-in AI assistant will help refine your notes. You can also attach supporting items from your visit, such as photos or documents, directly to the progress note. Tracking breaks. To log a break, open your shift and tap Start Break. If you have more than one break scheduled, tap Start Break for the relevant time, then tap Yes to confirm. A confirmation will be displayed. To end your break, tap End Break. Review your break times, add a note if you wish, and tap End Break. You will receive a confirmation message that your break has ended. Mileage and expenses. To record mileage, open your shift, tap Progress, tap the plus icon, and select Mileage from the pop-up menu. Enter your mileage, your starting point, add a note if you wish, and upload any attachments, like a photo of your odometer if required. Tap Save to complete your mileage claim. To record an expense, select Expense from the pop-up menu. Enter your expense, add any notes if you wish, and attach any relevant documents or images to substantiate your claim. Tap Save to complete your mileage claim. Mileage and expenses are sent to your scheduling team in real time and will be processed in accordance with your organization's policies. eMAR, Medication Management. If your client has a scheduled medication plan, you'll be prompted after clocking in to review it. Access medications at any time via More Actions, eMAR Medications. When a medication is due, tap Log Now and mark it as given, refused, or missed. If any medications remain unlogged at clockout, ShiftCare will prompt you to address them before completing your shift. Completing shift forms. Tap Shift-related forms to access any forms assigned to your shift. Complete the required fields and tap Submit. Capturing signatures. If required, you can collect a client or staff signature at the end of your shift. Go to More Actions, Signatures, tap the plus icon, and select the signature type. Have your client sign on screen, add any relevant notes, and press Save. Clocking out and submitting your shift. Once everything is complete, tasks, notes, medications, and signatures, tap Clock Out. Your shift data is automatically submitted to your scheduling team. Submitting an incident report. If something unexpected occurred during your shift, you can log an incident from the main menu. Tap Incident, complete the report, attach any relevant documents or photos, and press Save. You can track the status of submitted incidents, open, in progress, resolved, or closed, from the Incidents page. Messaging with your team. ShiftCare also allows you to send and receive messages directly within the app. Open the main menu and select Messages to view conversations with your scheduling team and other staff members. You can send shift updates, ask questions, or receive important announcements from your agency. Notifications will appear on your phone when new messages arrive. Keeping communication inside ShiftCare helps your team stay organized and ensures important information is recorded in one place. Additional features. Job Board. Your scheduling team can post available shifts to the job board. Select Job Board from the menu to browse open shifts and tap Take Shift to apply. Your team will be notified and will either assign the shift immediately or review your request. Managing your availability. Navigate to Availability in the menu and tap the plus button to set times when you're available or unavailable to work. Choose All Day or set specific hours, then press Save. Your scheduling team will see this automatically in ShiftCare. Document Hub and Personal Documents. Company policies, procedures, and HR documents shared by your admin team are available under Document Hub. Your personal documents on file are accessible via My Documents, where you can also upload or update items like an updated driver's license. Shift Notifications. Toggle shift notifications on to receive alerts before your shift begins or ends, even when the app is closed. That covers the ShiftCare Caregiver app. If you need further assistance, you can reach our support team at support@shiftcare.com. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using ShiftCare.